Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can create an image by giving a prompt to an AI. So basically this is a create AI where you can enter n number of prompt and generate images. So first you can just delete this color or circle boxes that you they're seeing in the screen. So there are lots options you can choose in the left hand side: saves, generate images, as well as upload images. So you can upload image and also can enhance the quality of the image that I have created a video favorite for that. Yeah, in the left hand side, yeah, there are options like random style and and this lot of more options. So basically you can use this real time photo fast. So in this I'll be using this one photo quality as the fast concept. There are more options, there are a lot of options in this thing. So yeah, you can give prompts like if you want what type of images you want. So I want like hills with green, so it generates hills with green, and you can add sunlight, or you can say sun. Okay, so I'm giving river. See, it's giving such a nice photo. So yeah, it's an open or free to use, so you can use this AI for your work. Thank you for watching this. I hope you like this video. Thank you.